Plateau and Rio Grande Plain Thursday and Thursday evening. A red flag warning is The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Travis County, northern Blanco County, northeastern Gillespie County, southeastern Llano County, southwestern Burnett County, until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Willow City, or 16 miles northeast of Fredericksburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Marble Falls, Round Mountain, Lago Vista, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Hudson Bend, Meadow Lakes, Stonewall, Highland Haven, Spicewood, Blowout, Sandy, Willow City, Oatmeal, Cypress Mill, Eckerd, Smithwick, Jonestown, Briarcliff, and Cottonwood Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 5:43 a.m. Central Standard Time. The Austin, NOAA